the foreman, the straw boss, the crew leader. These titles may vary, but the essence of their role remains the same. They go by many names, but their role is critical on any work site. Without them, the seamless execution of tasks would be a distant dream. They are the vital link between management and the crew, ensuring projects are completed safely, on time, and to the required standard. Their ability to interpret blueprints and relay instructions is indispensable. Being a foreman is more than just giving orders. It's about leadership, communication, and a deep understanding of the job at hand. They must be adept at handling tools and technology, and also be a source of inspiration for their team. I've worked with a lot of foremen in my time, and let me tell you, the good ones are worth their weight in gold. Their ability to foster a positive work environment is unmatched. They can make or break a project. The pressure they face is immense, but their resilience and problem-solving skills often turn challenges into opportunities. A good foreman can motivate a team, solve problems on the fly, and keep things running smoothly, even when the unexpected happens. Their quick thinking and adaptability are crucial in maintaining workflow. That's why it's important to understand what it takes to be a successful foreman. It's not just about technical skills, but also about emotional intelligence, patience, and the ability to mentor and train new workers. So, what does a foreman actually do? What are the key responsibilities that define this crucial role on a construction site? Well, a foreman wears a lot of hats. They are the backbone of any construction project, ensuring everything runs smoothly. First and foremost, they are responsible for supervising the work of their crew. This means being the eyes and ears on the ground. This includes assigning tasks, monitoring progress, and ensuring that everyone is working safely and efficiently. They need to be organized and proactive. Safety is paramount for any foreman. They must be vigilant and always on the lookout for potential risks. It's their job to make sure the work site is safe for everyone and that everyone is following proper safety procedures. This is a non-negotiable part of their role. This means conducting safety meetings, identifying potential hazards, and enforcing safety regulations. They must communicate clearly and effectively. A good foreman is always thinking about safety first. They lead by example, demonstrating the importance of safety to their crew every single day. To be an effective foreman, you need to be organized, proactive, and a good communicator. These qualities help in managing the complexities of a construction site efficiently. One of the most important things a foreman can do is delegate tasks effectively. This ensures that every team member knows their responsibilities and can work towards the common goal. This means knowing the strengths and weaknesses of your team and assigning tasks accordingly. Understanding your team's capabilities can significantly enhance productivity and job satisfaction. It's also important to stay ahead of schedule. Time management is crucial in ensuring that deadlines are met without compromising on quality. This means anticipating potential problems, ordering materials on time, and keeping the project moving forward. Being proactive can prevent delays and keep the workflow smooth. A good foreman is always thinking one step ahead. Planning and foresight are key to navigating the challenges of a construction project successfully. Section 4. Leading by example. Leadership is not about bossing people around. It's about inspiring and motivating your team to do their best work. A good foreman leads by example. This means showing up on time, working hard, and maintaining a positive attitude even when things get tough. When you lead by example, your crew will respect you and they'll be more likely to follow your lead. Remember, actions speak louder than words. Section 5. Communication is key. Clear and open communication is essential for any successful project. A good foreman needs to be able to communicate effectively with both their crew and with management. This means listening to your team, providing clear instructions, and giving and receiving feedback in a constructive way. When everyone is on the same page and communication is flowing freely, the project runs more smoothly and there's less chance of misunderstandings or mistakes. Section 6. continuous learning and improvement. The construction industry is constantly evolving, so it's important for foremen to be lifelong learners. Stay up to date on the latest technologies, safety regulations, and best practices. Attend industry events, read trade publications, and never stop learning. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to lead your team and succeed in your role.